Guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to use template in Gmail. For that, suppose you are writing a mail. Then after writing the mail, I have saved the mail, so I am copying it. Then go to this three dot and more options. Now you can see there is no template option available, so you have to go to this setting, then see all settings. In advanced tab, see in second option is template. Now enable this, then save changes. Now come to draft. Here is your save draft. Now you have to save this mail as a template. So you can go again this three dot. Now you can see there is template option available. So save this, save draft as template, save as new template, and this is the subject, leave application. This will be the template name. Now save this. Now you can use this template whenever you need. For that, suppose you are going to compose and you have to use that same template again. For that, you have to go to this three dot. Now go to template, and here is the template, leave application. Inside this template, here is your template. You can use this template whenever you want to send the mail frequently. Thank you.